Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to Billboard Mockup in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then go to the select right angle tool from the toolbar and create a shape. I do this. Go to the filter menu, click on the convert to smart object and decrease the opacity. Press Ctrl T, right click, choose to distort. Increase the opacity. Go to the select magic on tool and selection the white area. And click on the mask icon. Double click on the smart icon and go to the file menu. Click on the place embedded and place your design. Then go to the file menu. Click on the save. Normal to multiple. Now we make a Billboard mockup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.